Infida, a port and an economic and logistic activity zone, an international platform for trade. Tunisia's location at the intersection of the Eastern and Western Mediterranean, Africa and Europe has made it a major commercial crossroads since ancient times. Tunisia's strategic positioning of ports has made it the gateway to Africa and has largely contributed to its economic development over the centuries. Very close to the main intercontinental shipping routes, this central location in the Mediterranean gives the new Infida deepwater port project a full interest and a crucial role for future Tunisia. This geographical asset will indeed contribute to the renewal of the economy for many upcoming decades. Thanks to strategic location and the significant real estate potential for the economic and logistical services zone in Infida, the realization of this project will allow Tunisia to open up more to the Mediterranean and North African market, to seize the opportunity to become an international platform for trade and services, and to better integrate into its regional, to strengthen its position in a globalized economy, to achieve the highest efficiency and profitability rates while working with the standards, safety, preservation of the environment to make a positive impact on the community. Infida Port and the Logistics Activity Zone. More than just an infrastructure, a renewal for the Tunisian economy. Thanks to a new, modern and innovative approach, the port will make extensive use of the latest generation of digital tools to be situated at the cutting edge of technology, ranging from artificial intelligence, AI, big data, or the Internet of Things, IoT. This smart port will enable Tunisia to enter the Industry 4.0 era. Energy and environmental performances have been at the heart of the design of the Infida deepwater port. The electrification of docks, optimization of operations, use of renewable energy, and waste reprocessing will make this port a model of environmental responsibility in the region. Additionally, the port will endeavor to ensure that vessels respect this ecosystem and its biodiversity. On top of Infida Deepwater Port's orientation to be environmentally responsible, it also aims at becoming a key economic player in the region by offering a competitive and attractive package. And to strengthen the attractiveness of the terminal, the Deepwater Port of Infida will have a total area of 3,000 hectares, an economic and logistic service area of 2,000 hectares, a port area of 1,000 hectares, the container terminal 2,000 meters, the multi-purpose terminal more than 1,000 meters. Thanks to its connection to the road and highway network, to the railway network, and to Infida International Airport, this ELAZ would be an ideal anchor for international trade investments. Furthermore, and given Infida Deepwater Port's unwavering international focus, the ELAZ will attract foreign investments. This space will thus be the lifeblood of the region and the whole country's economic development. The Infida Deepwater Port will be the first deepwater port in the country able to accommodate giant container ships with a capacity of up to 18,000 TEUs. Additionally, its wide 19-meter day basins will offer good maneuverability and a greater safety of operations. The versatile terminal will also rely on the latest generation of technology in the field of bulk handling and will meet quality, safety, and environmental standards. Hence, thanks to its size and design based on latest technologies, the terminal will therefore offer the best possible services and will meet needs already expressed by the field professionals. The total cost of completing the first phase of the deepwater port is $1,031 million. The Infida Deepwater Port enjoys a significant advantage, being located at the crossroads of the main international maritime routes. The terminal will also increase the overall capacity of the region, where other ports are reaching their saturation point, such as the port of Marsaxlok in Malta or Gioia Tower in Italy. The port of Infida will avoid losses due to the prolonged immobility of containers, with a capacity that can reach 1,000 million dinars. Therefore, the port has the potential to capture up to 20% of the Mediterranean transshipment activity. Moreover, its proximity to Enfida International Airport, the North-South Highway, and the railway network provides the necessary assets to form a significant modern, multimodal hub of transport, logistics, and services. The creation of this multimodal hub will not only boost the industrial and agricultural fabric of the central and interior region of Tunisia, but will also give a breath of fresh air to the entire Tunisian economy. Beyond this, the Enfida Deepwater Port has the capacity to become a rail hub for North Africa, mainly Libya and Algeria, and for the landlocked countries of the Sahel region. Thanks to Enfida Deepwater Port, the neighboring ports will have a modern port platform that will allow them to improve their connection to global trade. Beyond the traffic estimates and the growth forecasts, the port will also have an important social impact. Besides the direct job in material handling, engineering, or even security and safety, the Enfida Deepwater Port will contribute directly and indirectly to the creation of 52,000 jobs. Hence, all surrounding regions and cities in the interior of the country will rapidly develop. A new modern city will be creating, offering all the conveniences of life and leisure, thus developing the whole surrounding regions, cities, and agglomerations. The port will attract numerous industries and service companies in its immediate environment. However, this influence will go much further through the revitalization of the agriculture, artisanal and industrial production sectors and their integration in the international value chains. Eventually, Tunisia will see its economy stimulated by this strategic infrastructure. In addition, its location in the center of the country will help to open up and support previously marginalized regions and their economic and social development. In conclusion, the creation of this port complex will enable the interconnection of national and international logistics networks, the revitalization of several economic facets, the revival of trade with border countries. The launch of Enfida Port can portend a new era for Tunisia and reshuffle the central Mediterranean activity. The economic development induced by the port will enable the creation of tens of thousands of jobs, whilst modernizing services provided in compliance with the standards of quality, safety, and respect of the environment. This first Tunisian green and smart port is more than just an investment. It's a national strategic project and a promise of renewal and a new phase, making Tunisia a regional and international platform for trade and services.